Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to reset this oil change required lights. So you'll see this prompt go away by the time we're done. So the first step, I'll just walk through. You're going to want to have this turned to the on position, with the vehicle not actually running. So it'll be one click away from the engine started. So at the same time you do that, you're going to take your foot pedals and have both your brake and gas pushed at the exact same time. So again, we'll flip this to the on position as well as hold both those pedals all at the same moment, and then we'll just keep those pedals held until it's all reset. So we'll go about it now. See, so my feet have been holding the pedal this whole time, and you're just going to keep holding the pedals until this whole prompt is done. Should take roughly 25 seconds, give or take. And it'll prompt you when it's finished. If you don't like all this beeping, you can always get through that with this OK. See, service reset complete. So we should be all set now. So now on the fresh start of the vehicle, that oil change life is going to be reset in the computer. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.